Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Let us solve this problem. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. According to the question, according to the question, what is that? If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, let the number be x. Therefore, it will be x minus 1 by 2 and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Multiply it by 1 by 2. You will get the value of 1 by 8. Multiplying both sides by 2 we get, multiplying both sides by 2 we get x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 1 by 8 into 2. This 2 will cut, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, that is 4. Or we are getting x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Now on transposing 1 by 2 to RHS right hand side, we get x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. If we take the LCM will be 4. It is 1 plus 2. We get the value 2 plus 1 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Therefore, the number is 3 by 4. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.